Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss a case study on Dettol. Here we see how Dettol started, what was the strategy, why it has created a brand in customer mind, and lastly we know what are the features of the product made by Dettol. Usage of the brand Dettol gives rise to many emotions in the consumer's mind, from making them feel safe and secure about the well-being of their family to making the mother feel that she has done the best for the family. Thus, it is the only fitting that the brand's tagline says, "Be 100% sure." Reckitt Benckiser plc is a British multinational consumer goods company. It is headquartered in Slough, United Kingdom. Formed in December 1999 from the merger of Reckitt and Coleman plc and Benckiser NV. It has operations in over 60 countries and its products are sold in over 180 countries. Reckitt Benckiser is listed on the London Stock Exchange. It had a market capitalization of approximately £23.2 billion as of 23 December 2011, the 20th largest of any company with a primary listing on the London Stock Exchange. Reckitt Benckiser owns a wide range of household brands in five main areas, like we say health, personal, home, fabric. In health there are Strepsils, Disprin, Bonnol, Decold, Gaviscon. In personal there is Dettol, Veet, Clearasil, Durex, Livon, Skoll. In home there is Airwick, Mortein, Cherry Blossom, Lysol, Harpic. In fabric there is Vanish, Easy of Vam, Finish, etc. Dettol, it has as the world's leading brand of antiseptics and a trusted champion of family health. Dettol products offer a high standard of germ kill and are recommended by healthcare professionals for their proven ability to keep families healthy. The brand has stayed contemporary through the launch of new products and offered consumers a breadth of product across the categories that can help protect them from germs. These includes bar soaps, hand sanitizers, liquid hand washes, shower gels and antibacterial wipes. Product under Dettol: antiseptic liquid, their oldest and most popular product by Dettol. In soap includes many variants such as original, skin care, cool, re-energize. Hand wash: liquid hand wash with antibacterial properties available in original, skin care, sensitive, fresh. No touch hand wash: there is no touch hand wash dispenser automatically senses your hands and dispenses an adequate amount of liquid soap, that is available in cucumber. Original. Body wash include body wash for men and women such as original, skin care, nourishing, soothing. Shaving creams especially for men available in fresh, cool. Other products include hand sanitizer for soap, water-free hand cleaning, washproof medical plaster, etc. And here we are going to know the marketing strategy of the Dettol in STP: segmenting, targeting and positioning. In segmenting, the family life cycle, in demography there is family life cycle. Dettol antiseptic liquid segmentation for family life cycle is no segmentation at all. It's a product for whole family. Everyone from a kid to the grandfather can use the antiseptic liquid for various purposes. Psychographic segmentation. Lifestyle. Dettol has segmented our modern days lifestyle, which is more outdoors, unhygienic, and bacteria. So, for the hygienic seeking consumers, Dettol has come up with the antiseptic liquid for laundry, wands, and cots, and house cleaning. Personality. Segmented the adventurous and enduring personalities to support them with a very effective antiseptic liquid for their injuries and wounds. Self concept. It appeals to those people who are disinfectant freaks. Behavioral segmentation. Benefit. It appeals to the customers who expect a solution with very effective antiseptic properties for cleaning wounds, laundry, and house cleaning. User status. It had targeted both the brand and category users with its Aapka Dettol Kya Kya Karta Hai campaign that showcased how brand users across the country had formed their own special bond with the brand, using it whenever and wherever they felt a need for disinfection. Usage rate. They have various packaging for different types of consumers on the basis of quantity consumed, ranging from 50 milliliter to 500 milliliter. Purchase occasions. It does not have any specific occasion for purchasing, although it tries to promote its sales on various occasions like Mother's Day. Loyalty status. Dettol mostly has had core loyalty status. Buyer readiness. Dettol has very high buyer readiness. Since years, it has been used in Indian households for various purposes due to its antiseptic and disinfectant property. And targeting. Second one is targeting. Dettol antiseptic liquid follows product specialization for target market selection. Product specialization. Single product type for all markets. Single type of antiseptic liquid for all markets like household, laundry, hospitals, etc. It's of a very universal nature, so targeting is done keeping in mind the entire section of the consumers irrespective of their markets. Last one is positioning. What's the positioning in the data? Although it has been used in hospitals and nursing homes for first aid and disinfectant uses like cleaning wards, washing linen, etc. Consumers were also using it for bathing, mopping, shaving, and other secondary purposes. While it started its journey as the Cots and Wounds brand in the country, over the years it had taken over the role of protector from germs in every situation. Dettol antiseptic liquid has some strong distinct associations. First and foremost in it is its trademark, that is smell, POD. Who can miss the characteristic Dettol smell that has been the resurgence to many a child's scrappled knee? Consumers recognize the smell enough to refer to a medically clean room as Dettol-like smell. The second characteristic is its amber gold color. The third is the clouding effect that appears when it is added to water. Dettol's packaging is distinct in its very own way. The green and white colors are associated with hospitals. All Dettol products have a sword on the pack, which is a symbol for fighting germs and infection. Over the years, the clouding action and the sword have become synonymous with the brand and have been creatively used in Dettol advertising. Product features. Dettol antiseptic liquid is a versatile product which has Many uses for protecting your family from germs. Use with bathing water for a completely germ-free bath. Use with mopping water to distinct floors completely. Use in washing laundry to disinfect your clothes. For first aid and personal care uses, Dettol antiseptic liquid must always be used diluted with water. Available in a wide range of sizes from 50 milliliter to 500 milliliter. For detailed usage instructions, see back label of products. Antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral effect by PCMX, a specialized antibacterial ingredients. Unique Dettol fragrance by a pine oil ingredient, excellent to eliminate Salmonella E. coli 0157, acne causing bacteria, body odor causing bacteria, etc. The reliable brand recommended by doctors around the world for the personal hygienic life. Recommended by Korea Medical Association for the first time ever in Korea. The specialized antibacterial brand with a variety of product line for your hygienically health life. Thanks for watching.